We're gonna all battle. You get into the street.
What? I don't know if I like this.
I don't. Brayden like almost lit my ass on fire.
First attempt at flying FPV. Just picked this up not too long ago. I've only flown in the simulator for 13 hours tops. Let's just hope I don't crash. But that's why we're in this big field. So before we go to road to Honolulu.
Stop. And Brayden just brought us breakfast.
Thanks, Brayden.
Actually, Jesse picked this up, but Brayden bought the breakfast.
It's in full manual.
NJ, it's being flown away.
Oh, whoa! I'm flying. I know, I'm flying.
You are.
Man, this really feels like it's a simulator. Oh, I almost crashed. I almost crashed.
Yeah, go next to them.
My first gap?
Watch out for the pole.
I am...
Wait. Guys, why is it on the floor like that?
Hey, you gotta be careful.
Hey, you see that duck?
I was like, ooh, this is getting those things were falling. YouTube?
What
is
good?
So it's been a long time. We haven't posted in forever, but we thought we'd start off 2023 with an awesome trip here in Hawaii. We wanted to do things a little different for New Year's Eve, and I thought this was perfect.
Absolutely. We've been MIA because we're planning to get married. Shh, this is
Coming
secret.
up. New Year's Eve in Hawaii was
Lit.
yeah, it was insane. Tell me your experience.
Magical. I've never seen so many fireworks pop off, and it is so much fun, so beautiful. It was amazing.
Yeah, so we're just kind of chilling here now at the beach. It's our last day.
Relaxing,
Relaxing.
taking it all in, getting
Yeah.
the sun.
Yeah, we had a busy Thursday, busy Friday, busy Saturday, and now we're just kind of chilling. That's basically it for this vlog.
Welcome
We're
to
done.
Hawaii.
The lighting looks, I mean, it looks great.
I belong here.
Anyway, peace.
I love it here. Bye. If you don't see me
2023.
anymore, I live here.